Stand by. Round up, 2 shots. Get back out, get the second one up, drop that mag. New mag charge, 2 shots. Perfect. All A-zone shots, 10 to 8.
Getting there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's find out your first shot, 127, which is good. Splits 40, 40, 35. Very good. Yeah, splits are good. Okay. All right. 10, 28. I think you can do better than that. Okay. Now, let's change it up a little bit. This one's going to be slower just because. High ready. Do it from high ready.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Okay. 1180, not bad.
Yeah.
Just like just over a second slower, not bad. 171 on your first, so okay, good. So this matches up to your first one on your last one. It's just your transition was a little slower,
Yep.
but your splits are the same. 44, then you got 27, 27, and 26.